we promised some drumming, so we have some drummers coming forward right now. If you don't have a drum with you, because most people travel around with a drum at all times, I do, then these work, and feet work, and you can high-five a neighbor if they do it at the same pace you do. And we have some chants up on the screen. And the person who instigated much of this is this young man to my left. He's about a quarter of my age. Anyways, so he's invented these chants, and I sure hope that they can read them. You're going to have to come down, aren't you? So we invite you then to join in some drumming and some chanting. And we invite you to make a whole lot of noise, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, hello. My name is James. I am a member of Vocal, and I have these wonderful chants to chant to you, and that you will all hopefully follow along, because this is a lot of fun. We don't have the money to
Careful, Margaret.
I am. Hello? Okay. Thank you. We have recycled drums